Hello everyone, welcome back again to Mufazuke channel. Today we are going to create a simple 3D floor plan with AMS interior design 3D. First, in here you can use this tool to create walls. You can click draw rooms and you can click grid. I will click from this point and you can move to the right here. So I will create this example floor plan walls like this. The next, if you want to show this dimension, you can click in here to show dimension, or you can hide. And if you click, it will be show the dimension in the other side like here. You can see this for the dimension. To change, you can click, hold, and you can move like into here. I will set into 400. And then in it, we can set into 200. So you can drag this wall. And also at this point you can see this wall 400. Okay, I will click and you can click at this point. I will set in here into 300 in here. You can see you also can set in here, like we can set into 200. Okay, and if you done, you can also create again for inner wall in here by using this draw walls. You can click and click from this point, move into here, so it will be create new walls in here. Now we have these tools, like you can add furniture, add door, and add windows, light, and star into this floor plan. You also can see in a 3D view. You can click here to see in 3D view. This for 3D view, and this is for 2D editor. Or you can combine between this object by using these tools, 2D editor and 3D view. So this for 3D view, and then this for 2D editor. So the next, we can add a door. You can click here to the editors. We can use this tool. You can click and you can search for your door. For example, I will use this simple door, and you can click add to scan. Like I will select at this point. Okay. The next, we insert again door. You can click here. I will use this door, add scan, and I will click at this point. Okay, now you can use these tools to rotate this door. Okay, you can click this dot and move to here to rotate, or you can move to this point. So it will be very easy to modify these door objects. The next, we can insert windows. You can click here windows, and there are various windows that you can use, like 2D section, balcony windows, or the other. In there we can use this example for one section windows. Click add scan, and I will place at this point. Okay, you also can add a window again, and I will use two section, use this windows, and I will put in this point. Okay, the next, we can add furniture. You can click here to add furniture. Like in here, you can set in for a bedroom furniture, or the other, it is for living rooms. Like we can set in it. You can click add scan, and you can click at this point. Okay, very easy to insert furniture. You also can attach it again, like we can set into this table, add to scan, and I will click at this point. Okay, the other, we can add furniture like for bedroom in here. Okay, I will set for this toilet, add scan, and can click in here. You also can rotate by using this tool, so it will be rotate, and you can move again by clicking and hold to move this object. We can add again. Okay, for example, we can add these things, and I will put in this point. So if you want to see again in a 3D view, you can click in here, and we also can use a virtual visit. You can click here. This for virtual. You can use ASWD buttons on keyboard to see the rooms with virtual. So this for virtual, we insert in buildings. So this for the roof, and this for the sofa. You can move again into this room. Okay, so you can use these tools to in a 3D view, or to the editor, or in a virtual visit. Okay, very easy to create a 3D floor plan with this interior design 3D software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.